Creating compelling product listings that capture customer attention and stand out from the competition is the key to get more sales on Amazon. In this video, you will learn how to use Helium 10 tools to find top-performing keywords from competitors and create high-converting listings. If you want to try Helium 10 for yourself, you'll find a special offer and the links and coupon codes in the description.
Want to increase sales and gain access to better insider hacks for listing optimization? Helium 10's new and improved product listing builder is your secret weapon for creating high-performing Amazon listings that convert. With cutting-edge tools to fine-tune keywords, enhance product descriptions and titles, and analyze your competitors, this feature-packed platform helps you stay ahead in the crowded marketplace. Hi, I'm Nikki from Klik, and let's explore how these cool new features can take your Amazon listings to higher rankings. Improving your organic rankings on Amazon involves optimizing several key elements of your product listing. High-quality product images that showcase your item from various angles and lifestyle images that can boost click-through rates and conversions. Incorporating the best keywords into your title, bullet points, and description ensures your product appears in relevant searches. Garnering better reviews builds trust and enhances your product's credibility, while A+ content provides rich, detailed information that improves the customer experience. Customer satisfaction, driven by accurate descriptions and reliable shipping, can reduce negative feedback and increase repeat purchases. Additionally, A/B testing different listing elements helps identify what resonates most with your audience, allowing you to refine your approach and maximize performance. With that said, when you are creating your first listing or refining your existing product listing, it is important to take a look at these factors. And with that in mind, thinking that we are good with other parts of the listing, we will focus now on keywords. And in order to update our listings for better ranking, we need to get the top keywords that our top competitors are using to get those sales. For example, this is our product, the nursing pillow with removable cotton cover. We go to Helium 10's product listing builder. So if you would like to optimize this listing and update it with the best keywords, of course, not all the time the keywords that we have included in the launching phase of our product are going to perform at the same rate. So there are other keywords that will not be as effective as it was before. And so it's time to optimize the listing with better performing keywords. So in here in your product listing builder, with the help of AI, you can either create from scratch, or when you have an existing one and it is connected with your Amazon Seller Central account, you can pull it up right away and optimize it seamlessly using this feature here. And the other feature that the product listing builder has is to generate images with AI. So here, through this interface alone, you are already ahead of the other competitors because you are able to streamline your processes in a very efficient way. And Helium 10 will do these processes automatically for you. So let's say we are going to create from scratch. And then make sure that you are selecting the correct Amazon marketplace that you are going to sell it. And then here you have to enter the ASIN. So this is our ASIN for this product. And so here you can now start building. So before you go to the other process of creating your product listing, you will have to supply your product listing with your keyword bank. Now, how to do this is it's either you have your list, which you have done from your own keyword research. You can get keyword suggestions from Helium 10, and you can manually add keywords from a CSV file. So now we are going to show you how to get those top keywords from your top competitors. We start by typing the main seed keyword of our product, the nursing pillow, here in the Amazon search bar. So we're going to look for our top competitors here, which is this one, not this, because our type of nursing pillow has a removable cotton cover. And so we are going to look for our top competitors that is like for like in terms of product design and as much as possible, same price point. So the easiest way to do this, to selecting our top competitors, is to use the Xray tool from Helium 10. And in here, we already hide the sponsored products. And so we are selecting only the top competitors. that are ranking organically. So we have here, I selected first our product. Make sure to select your product first, and then the rest of the competitors, like this one, this one, this one. So it's better to select as many, because when you have more asins, the other data, then the more you will be able to harvest new keywords that are guaranteed to drive more sales. And the other main factor of selecting our top competitors is the asin competitor that has the highest revenue. And so we have selected over 8 competitors here. And what we're going to do is to run Cerebro. So this is a really good platform, Helium 10, because it's all interconnected and it makes the process of doing your keyword research and product listing building very seamlessly. And so when we do this, we exclude variations. Of course, we would like to get top keywords from all of these parent asins here. And from this alone, Cerebro was able to get 4,078 filtered keywords. But we will not be stopping there. We would like to really refine our search by get this. This is another way to get or filter the top keywords from our competitors. So look at here in the competitor rank average. So within our top 10 competitors, we would only like to get which of the keywords our competitors are ranking in an average between 1 to 30 organically. So when you apply the filter, this alone makes a lot of difference because it narrowed down to 529 filtered keywords. All right. So now I'm going to just look here one by one if there are any branded keywords from our competitors. So a while ago, as we can see here, this is a brand. So what I would do is to include this in the phrases containing. So I'm going to add Mom Cozy, those brands that I know that will be added in the keyword phrases. So I would like to filter them out here so that they won't appear in the keyword list here. So this ensures me to only harvest those keywords or keyword phrases without the brand names from our competitors. Okay, right now I'm able to add the brand names, and so let's apply filters again. Then we are now down to 518 filtered keywords. So let me just change the search volume to highest to lowest. Then as you can see, my top or best keyword is still nursing pillow with a search volume of 44,276. And then, all right, so this one is still a brand name. So I will include it here. So this is my other way of excluding phrases, and as I go down, I will be able to add this on my excluded phrase. It makes the narrowing down of our keywords more efficient. From 518 filtered keywords, when I apply the filter, I'm now down to 467. So again, finding those variation or misspellings of the other branded keyword phrases will really help, and adding it here will help us narrow down the search. You can either do this here in Cerebro or do it manually. So I prefer doing it on Cerebro and then later on refining it more when I exported it into a CSV file. Okay, again, from 467 a while ago, I'm down to 452. And then we will add another filter, which is a minimum of word count of 2, and then organic. So we now have 422 filtered keywords. What we're going to do is to copy to clipboard. Then we go back to our listing builder. Then we will add our keywords manually here. Then we will add it to the bank. All right, so we already have our keyword bank, which is 422. We can, by the way, import as many as 1,000 keywords here on the listing builder. So here we have the search volume and the rest of the metrics. And what we are going to do is to click next. Then here you go. You are now seeing the product listing being written for you by Helium 10 just by entering your ASIN. So you already have the keywords from your title here, bullet points. So in order to get the competitor comparison, you will have to add the ASINs right here in the keyword performance rank. So we will be adding the ASINs that we have selected a while ago as our top competitors. And now it is updated. You will now see the keyword performance rank of your listing against your 8 competitors. You can see here that our ASIN is ranked 7 out of 8 competitors. And the listing quality score, which is 7.9 over 10, which is also very good as well. Now, currently, our keyword performance score is 610,769, which means that compared to the other listings, we will now be able to check what are the parts of the listings that we have to optimize based on the number of keywords that we have added here from our keyword bank. You can see here that the word or the one-word root nursing, we have already used 5 times in our listing. Pillow as well, and breastfeeding. As you can see, we only have used 61 out of the 518 keywords or root keywords to be optimized. We haven't been able to use all of this to maximize in our product listing. Talk about a lot of opportunities lost if we are not going to try and index in one of these keywords. Imagine indexing in all of these keywords, then we will guarantee a lot more visibility, and as well as a chain reaction of having more visibility. We will have more click-through rate and more impressions and more conversions. In the keyword phrases as well, you can see that only 9 keyword phrase out of the 422 is being used. So there are still a lot of keyword phrases that we have yet to add into our product listing. For example, the breastfeeding pillows, which is in the plural form, as well as nursing pillows for breastfeeding, and as well as this one. So if we can include this in one of our product listing, for example, the breastfeeding pillows can be added in one of the bullet points here. For example, I'll add it here. Then we now are able to strike that out. You can see here as well that the search volume is quite high for these keyword phrases, and so it's really important to add this, especially even the Spanish version and in this one as well. So imagine adding this to your product listing and adding the attributed search volume for this keyword phrases. So here in the description, we don't have the description yet. So I will go ahead and go here in the product detail page. This has an A+ content. That's why Helium 10 wasn't able to capture that. So what I'm going to do is to copy and paste my product description here and then add it there. And then if I do add this first time mom here, for example. So with my current draft, I now have a keyword performance score of 674,825. So I still have yet a lot to go in order for me to be able to maximize the optimization of my product listing, to get ahead of my competitors here, use the keywords in the right manner, not to stuff it within the parts of my product listing. And one of the other things that I would like to express here is when you look at the competitor performance index, this tells us how successful the listed competitors, the ones that I just added, are performing given the keywords. So 10 out of 10, nursing pillow, of course, we already have it here in our title. What I want to do now is to look for those other keyword phrases that I haven't added yet in my title. So if, for example, this one, right now we are only looking at this one with the highest search volume. What I have here is a nursing pillow only. So if I do add baby nursing pillow, then that would really give me another way to index in this keyword phrase, which I haven't added yet in my product listing. As I continue on adding the most relevant keywords with the best competitor performance index in the title of my product listing, then I will be able to catapult my listings into better ranking. So I do have the baby nursing pillow, then I have the breastfeeding pillow. So with the new addition of the keyword phrase baby nursing pillow, I am now ranked 6 out of the 8 top competitors when we are just looking at the product title level. Same goes when I am going to include better performing keywords in my listing in the bullet points of this product listing. So instead of just putting breastfeeding pillow, I will be adding this one. So by just adding these nursing pillows for breastfeeding, I was ranking 8 a while ago, and now with this addition of a very relevant keyword with a search volume of 5,000 and a high CPM NPS score, my bullet point is now ranked number 1 out of the 8. So this is just the tip of an iceberg. So this is a hack that you can really try. Of course, strategically place in your title and bullet points in order to get indexed in these keyword phrases with really good search volume, as well as striving to get indexed in these keywords here. So there are a lot that we haven't been able to optimize yet. For example, women. We haven't been indexed in this keyword yet because we haven't added any of these keywords here. Imagine we are targeting this product for moms, women in general, but we haven't included that in the listing. So we also can see that here in the top keyword phrases, we have the breastfeeding pillow for women, which has very good search volume. What I'm going to do is get this. What if we are just going to change this mom for women, and then let me go to Amazon search and then type breastfeeding pillow for women. Imagine only seeing your product here if you have indeed included this exact keyword phrase in your title. So your product will be the only one showing up on this page and the rest of your competitors are not here, then you would be ahead of the competition. This alone will put you ahead of the competition and a guaranteed page 1 ranking because of course you put it in the best part of your listing and the title, and none of your competitors have been able to optimize for it and index for it. Then that's a very good strategy for you to get into your first page ranking. So be on the lookout of those keywords when, of course, doing an A/B testing for your product listings and get the gauge between which of these keywords are converting more to sales or not. And so again, these are all possible because of Helium 10's all-around seller tool, including the Cerebro tool, which helped us gather all of these very relevant top keywords from our top competitors, driving sales, allowing us to be able to get into an insider peek into the keywords that they use to bring them more sales. And so now we are applying these keywords in our product listing, and now we're able to strategically place it either by root level or by keyword phrase level, knowing the search volume of these keywords and the guaranteed performance of each of the ASINs. How effective are these keywords in driving more sales to the ASINs that we have selected, and in turn will help us optimize our listings better, index for better words, and as well as right now, as you can see, with few tweaks in our product listing, we are now ranked 4 out of 8 competitors. So Helium 10 is really a great tool in terms of not only getting your best keywords, but also optimizing your listings constantly in order to get those sales every single time. If you want to try Helium 10 software tool to build engaging and converting product listings, get the most value out of your hard-earned money by trying out Helium 10 today for your business. Save big using our coupon codes in the description of this video below. Get 10% off any Helium 10 monthly plans using coupon code ORANGE10 or get 20% off the first 6 months using the ORANGE6M20 code. If you like the videos that we just made, don't forget to send in good vibes in the comment section, and please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Orange Klik. This is Nikki from Orange Klik. Thanks for watching.
I hope this video will help you to optimize your Amazon product listings with strategic keyword phrase placement. And if you want to try Helium 10, you'll find discounts and the link in the video description. And if you have additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons if you enjoy our content we create. And now I recommend you to watch another video where you will learn how to optimize your Amazon product listings for Rufus AI. So check this out.